Hi guys, thought I'd take advantage of having actually the charger port taken out of the car because of a failure. I'll show you that in a second, and show you where the emergency latch to override the power latch. Now this is from a 2013 Model S, so I know they've updated this since then, so yours may look different, but at least in the older version, the non-powered one, this is what this looks like. So let me first show you where the failure was, and you might be able to see it already. Basically there's plastic covering these two ports, and the plastic on this side actually broke off in my mobile connector, so the mobile connector would not connect. I was having a couple problems getting it to lock, and that was the first kind of warning sign that that had fallen off. So if you notice one's black and one's kind of the silver metal color like this, you probably have a problem too, or a similar problem. So let me show you the back side of this, and this is what you'd see from inside your trunk. There's a carpet flap inside that trunk, and if you ever call Tesla and say, hey, I'm stuck, basically I had a problem because I was at the supercharger and the charging cable would not unlock from the car, so I had to call them. I knew that there was a location where you could override the power, and but hadn't checked that out ahead of time. It might be a good thing for you to do ahead of time. That way, if you're ever in that situation, try to get a good look at this. So when I called, they said look for the red slider. I looked and looked and looked. Well, lo and behold, that red slider is actually kind of buried. So this is going to have all your cables hooked up to it. There's other videos that show that better, but I want to show you the close-up of this. Get it in the light a little bit better. There's a black plastic tab that actually has to pull off. So that's the black plastic tab. Get a good close-up of it, and that just slides on. So once you have that black plastic tab, there's your red connector that they're talking about. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. So basically this is what you want to slide over, and it's got a pretty heavy spring on it, so once you put an item in there, they recommend a pen. I don't know if a pen's going to be strong enough, but once you put this in there, you can kind of hear that latch releasing. I'll show you what it's doing on the other side. That latch is in there. Oops. So basically you can see as I push that over, that lock mechanism pulls down. You can see it right there. All right, so hope this helps a couple folks if they run into problems like I did. Thanks.